Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make your account private in the RedNote app. If you want more control over who can see your content, follow these simple steps to protect your privacy. So let's dive in. Open the RedNote app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the RedNote app on the homepage in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see 3 lines that you'll click on. Then on the next page, in the drop-down menu, you'll go down to the Settings option in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you'll also find the Privacy Settings option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The app will open the next page where you'll find the option, Protection Mode, at the very top of the screen, and then click on it. And that's it. Your RedNote account is now private, giving you full control over who can see your content. It's a great way to ensure your privacy while enjoying the app. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful app tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.